everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, great. Nice to see you all. Hello, I'm Menka from BSL and today I'm going to present one topic that is body language. As you know, body language is really very important. Very important to give our views, our expressions. So as you know, there are few topics are there like facial expression, body posture and eye contact. What is facial expression? You must have seen there are many emojis are there. But yes, I have made 3 emojis only. Did you tell me? The first one is, tell me.
Smile.
It is smiley. Okay. I hope everybody like the smile. If suppose I will explain you, okay, this body language is very important and that is, will you like this? I don't think so, right? If I say yes, this is smiley face, right? So we have to smile once if we are expressing anything. The second you can see, it's like there is no connection between with each other, right? So simple if I will say body language is there, this is important, this is not important, but I think you will not take interest in that behavior or the connection. Connection will also not be made. So there is one thing also, this emoji is also there. So it means facial expression is really very important to give through our views with each other. Then body posture. Yes, body posture is also there. If you can see, if I will teach you like this. Okay. Yeah. Suppose this is a abacus. There are two parts of abacus. The bead is upper bead, lower bead. Will you like this? No. Right? It means if you really want to know, if you really want to get any information, so it means all the things are very important. Yes, if I will show you. Yes, all of you look here please. Yes, see, what is this? This is the frame of abacus, right? And you know there are 2 parts of abacus, first part and second part. You know there are beads also, upper beads and lower beads. Then only will enjoy and will understand the exact meaning, and that time we will never forget that topic as well in future. Then eye contact. Okay, if suppose I will teach like this. Yes, abacus is very important tool, and nowadays it will use for calculation to speed, increase the speed and all those things. So I don't think so this is the correct way. Will you like this? No. Yes or no?
No.
Yes, I want your response please. Yes or no?
No.
No. Yes, exactly. It means what? I have to teach with proper eye contact. Okay. At this last one I can see these both friends are enjoying with each other. They are talking with each other. Might be they are talking how ma'am is teaching. Might be they are talking with each other. What ma'am is saying. What my friend is saying. Hello? Isn't it? No?
I listening to you.
Oh, you really? Really? Okay. So thank you so much. And thank you so much. That's all for my today's presentation. And I hope you liked this. And very soon we'll meet you again. Okay, fine. So thank you so much. I hope you all have enjoyed it. And today what we have discussed, all the topics, I hope you all have enjoyed it. So thank you so much and very soon we'll meet again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.